Hello everyone. Today we will discuss an installation method for the shoebox. Installing this shoebox requires these accessories. So after you receive them, check them against this. You see if any parts are missing. This one has already been assembled for you like this. So you can use it right away. Then there are 4 of these base plates. And this is the connecting rod. This is the tabletop. Confirm that everything is fine. Now let's start the installation. First, we pick this up, which can be separated into left and right sides. Once assembled, it should face this way, or this way. It's up to your preference, so either side can be installed. We will write this down. This side faces this way, then we install another one here. First, we take this panel and insert this shape panel into the hole. Then push it down. After inserting it, be careful not to press this position. Don't press here and break it. It's not allowed to press. This position must be pressed while holding these areas. Hold these positions and push down like this. Don't press this position or it will break. If it breaks, you will end up missing one. Then insert all 3 into the hole. Insert them, push them in. Then ensure this whole position is aligned, and then push it down a little bit. In this position, 设置数字全部. So it's a bit high. After inserting while pushing down, still be careful not to press this position. This position will break if pressed. Press this inner position and push it down. Then here do the same and insert it. Since this is a sample, it's a bit tight. What you receive will be pretty loose. When pressing down, be careful not to press this position. Make sure to not press this position or it will break. So this is the connection of these 4 panels. The supports are already fixed on this panel. Next, we take this connecting rod and connect it. Because it's unstable standing here, we'll connect it together. Iron it with the slots of these 4 panels. Then you wait. And snap it in a little bit first, just align it after that. Then we will push it down a bit. Just pressing it down will hold it in place. This way, pressing it tight will make it more secure. Then finally, this panel is to be locked in these slotted areas. So, when pressing it down, do not break it. If it breaks, one slot will be lost. I knit with these slots. And push it like this. Just push it all the way down until it is flush. Then, the shoebox will be complete. Okay. If, when installing, you put this panel here, placing it like this is also fine. Both sides can be installed. Choose as you prefer. Okay, thank you everyone.